som motiverar mig, det är framförallt glädjen i att upptäcka nya saker. Att lära sig nya saker om växterna och om deras fiender. Min forskning handlar om att skydda våra odlade grödor så effektivt som möjligt och samtidigt minimera användningen av kemisk bekämpning.
The planet is urbanizing and I'm looking into the spatial implications of this process from a landscape architecture perspective. And as we are living in a time of transition towards a post-industrial society, I'm particularly interested in the transformation processes of underutilized industrial areas.
So what's the linkage between organic agriculture, horticulture, plant production and coconut? So these coconut produce contain the natural growth stimulants to help plants to grow. So in other words, if you have these natural phytohormones, plants actually grow much better.
There's so much we don't know about how plants get sick and about how microbes interact with plants on a deep level. So I think it's really interesting to be able to find out answers to these basic science questions, but also to be able to apply those into real life situations, to have an impact on our food production all over the world.
We are working with the everyday environment, close to where people live and work and commute every day. Our research field is, you can say, very democratic, it's very inclusive, and we're working towards finding solutions for the benefit of everybody, and that is extremely motivating.